Welcome to Finishing My Basement, Episode 38, Bathroom Work, installing Durock cement wallboard for the wall tile. However, before I can do this, I need to do some housekeeping. I need to remove the forms and finish installing the drywall around the sides. The first step, besides picking up the material from the supply store, is to map out the plumbing, valves, and the little stub out. Write all of your dimensions down on a piece of scrap paper, then take it all outside to do your cuts. I use a small L-head grinder with a 4-inch dry-cut diamond-tipped blade. To cut my holes, I use an 1.25-inch dry-cut diamond-tipped hole saw. Here I'm installing some 6mm poly behind the Durock as added moisture protection. To secure the Durock to the wall, I'm using a special screw for that purpose. I'm making sure that I do not screw the bottom of the Durock through the vinyl pan. I'm making sure that it is above. I saved that scrap of plywood that I used to develop the slope of the floor at the back wall of the shower pan. I lay it out, clamp it to the board, adjust it as needed, mark, and cut the Durock. Measure and cut each piece, then secure it to the wall. At this point, I will tape and finish all of the drywall. And before I do any tile work, I will be priming the walls to keep them stable. Thank you for watching. Come back and see as I continue to finish my basement.